What do you think?
What was wrong with your old car?
3 little words, Sully. 6-wheel drive. Come on, get in. It's adjustable. Will you cut it out?